So now we have new Square-1 world record single as 4.9 second by Tijmen, which is an improvement of 0.02 seconds from Vincenzo's 5-second world record. So let's reconstruct what this guy did in the first ever sub by Square-1 single. The scramble will be here or in the description, or you can just follow me. Make sure you put yellow on top and orange in front. So the scramble is so we got the cube in this orientation, from which we can see we can pair this two edge pair to here to form a scallop, and this edge pair will go here to form a kite, forming a scallop kite. So 0 1 slash forming a scallop kite. So we can solve this in back like this. Then we have these 3 corners on top and 1 on bottom, which can be solved by doing a u prime and then slash. Then we have this EO case where this is already in position. We can do a u2 to bring that in position like this. Then we have the algorithm. Here we can see we have these 2 front bar and these 2 edge and corners are solved, which can be EP skip, and he got EP skip like this, and he stopped the timer, got the worker solved. So once again what he did was he solved scallop kite like this, then the CP like this, then the EO, then pretty lucky to get EP skip. So congratulations and thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Cuber. Bye.